What's up, guys? So in this video I want to share with you how over the past month I've earned over $2,000 from YouTube income. And to me that's quite incredible because, I'm not really that big on YouTube. I do have multiple channels, but, they're not really, they're nothing that impressive. They're not like, that big or anything. But I've learned a lot. I've been doing YouTube for years, and the biggest thing is that I've been consistent. And I didn't really start making money, in fact, until this year. This year I took a course and I finally, learned what to do properly in order to how to, properly monetize my channel and how to be able to, make money from YouTube as a business. And so in this video I want to, share with you exactly how I've earned over $2,000 in profit from YouTube over the past month. So, contrary to popular belief, the biggest way that I'm earning money is not from YouTube directly, meaning from YouTube views. A lot of people, when they think of making money from YouTube, they think of it just as like the views. But the views is like the hardest way to make money with YouTube, unless you're like PewDiePie or one of those, weird video game channels that are getting like millions of views. But if you're just like a small channel, then it's going to be difficult to make decent money with views. You got to be, in order to make just like a marginal income, you got to be making like millions and millions of views. So, but with that being said, that is a way that I do make money from YouTube is through the views, but it's not enough to pay the bills. But the number one way that I make money from YouTube is through affiliate income. And I have over 500 videos on YouTube between all my channels, and in all of my videos I have affiliate links to different courses that I recommend, different products, different programs, different services. And so when I talk about things, just like for example, in this video right now, I'm gonna recommend the YouTube course that I took that learned, that taught me how to build YouTube channels and make money through them. I'll put a link in the description where if you guys decide to end up purchasing that course, then I get compensated for that. And so I have hundreds of those links all between my different videos. And so every time pretty much someone's always watching one of my videos just because I have so many videos out there. And so, but due to the law of averages and the law of numbers, the probability of somebody clicking on those links and then ending up actually buying whatever it is that I recommend increases, as I do more videos and I get better at this and more views and traction. And so what happens is the next morning I wake up and I see that I made money in my sleep from people purchasing a product, service, or course that I recommend, which is pretty awesome. That's my favorite way to make money. That's the number one way that I make money through YouTube. The second biggest way is through coaching, through one-on-one coaching. Now that's not a passive form of income, that's a service-based form of income because, I do gotta take the time to work with people and, talk on the phone with them and help them through whatever I'm coaching them through. But that is my second biggest income through YouTube. I'm coaching a lot more people now through YouTube. And that's really helping to grow my income through YouTube. And then the third biggest source of income is just the trivial YouTube views, which isn't much, but hey, it's something. It helps. It's growing. It is growing every single month, so that is nice. And I'd say the fourth, kind of like, I wouldn't really consider it a fourth way to make money, but it has from time to time pops up is I get random opportunities that present themselves through YouTube to make money. For example, voiceovers, I've been paid to do that, and just random different things that opportunities that have appeared just because I'm putting myself out there on YouTube, and so I'm being exposed to potentially the whole world. Anybody can find me now on YouTube, and if they just have a connection with me or whatever it is I'm talking about, then they sometimes I get offers and opportunities in various different ways to make money. So with that being said, that's exactly, between all these different sources of income is how I've earned over $2,000 with YouTube over the past month. I highly recommend the course, the link that I'll put below in the description. The Primal Video Accelerator to learn how to, grow a YouTube channel properly and also how to make money from it. But I also recommend to do YouTube as well. It's a lot of fun. I did YouTube for free for years without ever thinking about making money, just because I enjoyed it. It's a good way to kind of express yourself, kind of have like a video journal. I'm a big fan of journaling. I think journaling is a great thing to do because it allows you to express yourself, and it's kind of cool to be able to look back in the future to see how you've changed as a person, see the things that you're into and so forth. So it's fun. You know, I highly recommend doing YouTube, and it's a great way to be able to make money without having to put out any money at all. I mean, you can just, I just use my cell phone like I'm using right now. You can just start shooting videos. Doesn't cost you anything. Just upload them to the YouTube for free. And over time, if you're consistent, you'll start to grow a following, and you'll get views, and it can turn into something. You can start coaching people, helping people, and recommending different products, services, and getting paid through affiliate income. Who knows? Maybe you could be the next PewDiePie, or one of those guys, eating a box of cereal and, see how fast they can do it and getting millions of views. It's ridiculous. The things people do on YouTube that get like millions of views, but whatever, people are entertained by weird things these days. But with that being said, guys, I hope you're all having a great day. And until next time, let's make it a great day, great week, a great month, a great year. Let's make it a great life. See ya.